Alright, so we're going to be starting off right here. So we have the minimum distance to target element right here. Alright, so basically we're going to have an array and we're going to have like a start point. So this one will be 3. So it's saying we're going to start here. So we're trying to find the closest element that matches this target to like this element. So this one, 5, it would only be 1 away. So we'd return 1. So but like say like this was the start or something like that with 5, it'd still be like 3. So keeping that in mind, so here we go. Let's get it going. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make this min count. So this is going to be the current like shortest distance, because we're going to go through the entire array and we're going to find, like let's say in this one we're going to try and find all the 5s. There could be multiple 5s, like in this one there's multiple 1s. So we're basically going to we need to find all of them essentially. So we're going to try and find the length of the nums. So yeah, that one is just what we're going to start with, because like there has to be a target, and the max it could be is like 5 away. So then we're going to run for I in range length of nums. Alright, so there we go through our for loops. That way we're going to go through every item in the array, and then we're going to be like if nums I, so like if this item equals target and the absolute value of I minus start is less than the current minimum count, then we're going to say min count equals absolute value of I minus start. Okay. Cool. So basically it's going to go through and it's just saying like, okay, if this item is like, if it's like one of the target items, and if it's a shorter distance to the target to the start item, then that's what we want it to be. And then just at the end, all we have to do is just return whatever the minimum count was after they've checked them all. So alright, you see it beats 100%. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.